Yes, sir. Unit
What is the
Unit
disturbance?
9
Just a minute.
Unit 9
Let
the
me
Earth.
see at your side something is disturbing. It may be fan or something else.
1 minute,
Continue.
sir. Okay. Unit 9 the Earth, our habitat. Solar eclipse. Moon is close to Earth. It revolves around the Earth. Sometimes while revolving, it comes between Sun and Earth. At this time, as the shadow of Moon contains Sun is not visible, this event is called solar eclipse. As the Moon is very small as compared to Sun, it cannot cover whole Sun. Thus, solar eclipse cannot be seen all over the world together. Solar eclipse occur on no moon day, but this event doesn't take place on every no moon day.
We are talking about solar eclipse. This we have just discussed when sun and moon are in the same line. During the time, moon is between the sun. Here in the diagram you can see moon is here, earth is here and sun is. If we compare the size, moon is too small in comparison to earth and the sun. Because of this, some region here we can see a little part of the earth which will face solar eclipse. Means from here we can see solar eclipse. From else part, large area we cannot see. That is called solar eclipse. It is because of size of moon and sun and earth. Due to this, we cannot see solar. Generally, it happens on every no moon day, but it is not visible at every part of the earth. Why? We have just discussed. Now, next topic is lunar eclipse. It will read by Jagar Astha.
Okay, sir. Moon gets light from the sun. Thus, if the sun rays is going towards moon are observed by the earth, then that part of moon remains dark. In nutshell, that much part of earth's shadow falls on moon. This part is not visible to us, which is called a lunar eclipse. Such event occurs on full moon night, but such events do not take place on every full moon night.
Lunar eclipse. We call in our language Chandra Grahan. Yes, we have just discussed solar eclipse. Three. Just a minute. Sun, moon, and earth. They are in single line. We have just discussed when moon is between sun and earth. At that time we can experience solar eclipse. While here earth is between sun and moon. And because of this, on full moon night we cannot see the moon. That is called lunar eclipse. Here we can see much part of the moon cannot get light due to the earth or due to our. In the diagram you can also see the same thing. Diagram is in your book and it is going to be present on screen. Here you will see the same thing, earth, moon and sun in same direction. But the difference is here earth is between sun and moon. And so that we
You
can see
can
the
actually
moon.
draw it.
Yeah, in exercise when I share, you can draw. You need to draw both. Here you can see earth is larger in comparison to moon. and so the whole moon cannot be seen. Sometimes moon it is in cross the line, and so that some part of moon cannot be seen. That is called lunar eclipse. Now this way our chapter is going to. Now we are moving towards exercise. Here objective type questions are there. At the first question, choose the correct alternative and write correct answer. There are six. First three are here. I did not present answer. Yes. Now let me check the who will answer without I present. હું આન્સર નો આપું ને જવાબ કોણ આપશે?
Sir, I.
I means
Kalani Riya.
okay, Dia, read first three with answer.
Okay, sir, 1 minute. Sir, can I say?
Dia, if you are not ready, then someone else who said, can I say?
Can I say?
Yes, sir. Can I say, sir? Yes, sir.
Not all.
Sir, please,
Not
can
all.
I say?
No one. No
Sir,
one.
now can
I will. I will present answer. First one. Which planet is closest to the sun? Answer is
Mercury.
you. No one will answer. 0 degree latitude is known by which name? Equator. Answer is equator. Third one. Which tropics are located between 23.5 degree north latitude and 66.5 degree
Temperature zone.
temperate zone? Again repeat, don't answer.
Sir, can I read please?
No. No one will read.
Sir, answer textbook में लखी सर.
You are only disturbing. Fourth one. I make an angle of 23.5 degree on my axis. Identify me. That is Earth. It is tilted by 23.5 degree and thus is made on its axis. Next one. How many times in a year does sun intersect equator? The sun intersect equator 2 times. For here, according to what? Twice. Third one. Because of whose obstruction solar eclipse is seen? Moon. For solar eclipse, moon obstruct. For lunar eclipse, Earth.
answer टिक कर नाखी तो हाल છે.
I'll say. Second question, identify me.
ठीक है. Sir, can I say the answer?
Just a minute. Yes. Identify me and write my name.
Can I
If
say?
you can answer without my presence, write in comments only. I will ask to the first one to comment first. Identify me and write my name. Jagar Asta.
Okay, sir. First one.
All.
First one, no? Identify me.
All. Beta. All answer. Right.
Okay, sir. I am called a giant planet also. Answer is Jupiter. On
Very good.
crossing midday, yes.
Yes, continue.
On
Good.
crossing midday has to be changed.
Yes. Which line we cross and date is changed?
Sir, can I say?
Sir,
Sir, can I say?
Yes, we answer.
Okay, sir. On crossing me, date has to be changed. International date line.
Very good. International date line. Next. Yes,
I
Kesvi
am
or
90
or-
degrees south latitude. Uh,
Yes. Yes,
Earth.
Astha. Kesvi. No, no, no. In Earth, 90 degree north and south. What is there?
Moon, sir.
No, no, no. Pole, North Pole and
Can
South
I
Pole.
say,
In
sir?
South
South
Pole,
Pole.
North.
Bowl.
Who
And
said? Can I say next one?
fourth, can I say?
Yes,
Okay, sir. I revolve around the earth. Moon.
correct.
Fifth, I also say.
Continue. Yes,
If
continue.
I were not dead, the organisms would have died. Sun.
Very good. I am called a giant planet. Means the largest planet, biggest planet. That is Jupiter. Second one is on crossing me. Date has to be changed. As we know, 180-degree latitude, that is international date line. We call it IDL. If we cross that at that time, day as well as date is changed on the particular place. Third one, I am 90 degrees south latitude. In South Pole, if here is written north, at that time it would be North Pole. Here the question is south, so it's South Pole. Fourth one, I revolve around the sun. Moon. Moon is the only satellite of the earth and it moves or revolves around the sun. It circles around the earth. Sorry. Fifth one, if I were not there, the organism would have died. As we know, sun is lifeline because of light and sun rays. Here, life is possible. Thus, identify me and write my name is over. Third one, true, false. There are 6 questions.
Can I say,
Okay,
sir?
now write in comments who will answer all, not one.
Sir, can
Write in comments only. Asrajit,
Yes, sir.
can you answer all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then read.
Okay, sir. Question number 3. True or false? Number 1. Moon is self-illuminated. False. Number 2. Neptune is a blue-colored planet. True. The horizontal lines drawn on the Earth are called latitudes. True.
Yes,
On
continue.
21st on 21st June, it is in it is winter on the Tropic of Cancer. False. It's very cold on equator. False. 90-degree north latitude is on the North Pole. True.
Very good. Now we are moving towards it. First one, moon is self-illuminated. As we know, no planet has light, no satellite has light. They all have light due to sun. So the statement is wrong or false. Second one, Neptune is blue colored planet. Yes, it is true. It looks bluish. Third one, the horizontal line drawn on the earth are called latitude. Horizontal line, it is latitude. Vertical line, it is longitude. Next one, 21st June, it is winter on the Tropic of Cancer. As we are in Tropic of Cancer, we are living in Tropic of Cancer. It passes through almost center of India. 21st June, we have summer, not winter. So the statement is false. Fifth one, it is very cold on equator. False, because sun rays fall directly almost throughout the year on equator, and that is why the statement is wrong. Equator is not cold, it is hot. Next one, 90-degree north latitude is on the North Pole. True, 90-degree north, North Pole. 90-degree south, South. Yes, in the last identify me, we have. Now, we are moving towards next. Answer the following questions in short.
નોટબુક તો મોકલી દીધી છે ને.
Ah. Yes, first question, who will answer? What is the speed of the earth? Okay, I will share. Asra Kia. Asra Kia, read two. First and second question with answer. Answer will just present on your screen. Asra Kia. Are you here or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Asra Dia, continue.
The Earth has two speeds. It
First
revolves.
read question.
Okay, sir. What is the speed of the Earth? The Earth has two speeds. It revolves on its axis at 1670 kilometer on the equator
One more.
and at 150 kilometer on its orbits.
Yes. Speed of the earth. 1670 kilometer on its axis means rotation. And revolution speed is 107,150 kilometer per hour on its orbit. By this speed, it moves around the sun. Yes, second question, continue.
Sir, I have to continue.
Yeah,
Second, polar star is seen in which direction? Answer. The polar star is seen in the north direction.
very good. Yes, time up. We are going with attendance.
Sir, can I read the last 2, 3, and 4?
Beta, we don't have time.